What if the one tool you trust to make you look professional is secretly holding you back, that frustrating wrinkle that won't come out, the water stain on your favorite shirt? I've been there. So I went and tested the top 10 steam irons on the market. I put them through hell, and after all the tests, only 4 earned a spot on this list. The number 1 pick, it wasn't the most expensive, and what it can do will change your morning routine forever. Let's find your perfect iron. Starting at number 1. Best overall iron. The Hamilton Beach Durathon 19803 stands out for its excellent steam production, competitive pricing, and ability to effectively iron cotton, linen, satin, and silk. I recommend it to anyone who doesn't want to dish out over $100 to effectively iron a range of fabrics. This affordable unit is able to smooth almost every fabric we used in our tests in just a couple of passes, though it took a few extra passes to iron out polyester. But, with the help of the outstanding steam function, we removed all the wrinkles. Our lead tester, Rachel Lamore, noted, "This was the only model I tested that earned a near-perfect score for its impressive steam output." This unit comes with 192 steam holes, which is higher than the majority of our lineup and perfect for equally distributing the steam so that it doesn't soak your clothes while ironing. Lead tester Rachel Lamore noted, "This iron was easy for me to use during testing and offered ideal heat temperature." Its measured steam output of 196 grams was double to triple the output of most other irons we tested. Number 2. Best premium iron. The Chilava 13113 is the cream of the crop for ironing. This sleek iron heats up in no time, gets very hot, and is evenly heated throughout, making for incredibly smooth ironing no matter what fabric we use. "Dang, this iron heats up fast. I can see the heat rippling off of it," our lead tester noted. I also noticed in testing that the ceramic soleplate was incredibly smooth and never snagged any fabrics, which is particularly important when ironing delicate materials. Number 3. Best iron for detailing. The Rowenta Pro Master XL DW8360U1 stood out in our testing for its solid performance and efficiency across all types of fabrics, but especially for its detailing prowess. Thanks to its tapered nose design, the Pro Master can easily navigate under seams, buttons, collars, and pleats. I use this iron anytime I need to iron a shirt with lots of buttons or sequins, Lamore said. It comes to temperature quickly and makes short work of most wrinkles in less time than many other irons we tested. Our testers noted, "I would recommend this to anyone interested in an efficient and versatile iron." It is 3.1 pounds, which is a bit heavier than average for the group, but the handle design is comfortable and the iron glides smoothly on fabric. As for detail work, our reviewer wrote, "I felt that the tapered nose is a key part of why it is so easy to reach around tight spots like pleats and seams." Number 4. Best for delicate fabrics. The Black Plus Decker D3030 Allure is the only iron we tested that removes wrinkles from silk and satin with just a couple of passes. It sailed over all the fabrics we tested with a superb front spray feature that works wonders. Its tapered nose makes precision work a breeze, and an 8-foot cord handily reaches just about wherever I need it, Lamore said. "I love the matte finish of the handle and the large, obvious controls." Though this isn't the lightest model we tested, at 1.9 pounds, it's about half the weight of most other top-scoring models, like the Chilava 13113, which is 3.5 pounds. It felt light in the hands and glided across fabric easily, making maneuvering around complicated corners and sensitive areas easy. So there you have it, 4 champions, one for every need and budget. No more guesswork, no more wasted money. Ready to upgrade your laundry game? Every single iron we tested today along with the latest prices is linked down in the video description. Go find your match. Did this review save you time and money? If so, press that like button right now. It tells YouTube you found this helpful, and if you know someone who hates ironing as much as we do, share this video with them, they'll thank you for it. And subscribe to the channel, because next week we're exposing the biggest scam in laundry detergents. You won't believe what we found. Subscribe so you don't miss it.